Simply multiplying it by itself twice. You understand? So once you see an index, oh Lord. Give me a number on the like.
17. 69.
17 square. You simply say equal. You write 17 two times and then you put the multiplying. See that?
Yes.
17 square. 17 put the multiply. 25 square. 25 put the multiply. You understand that? A square.
A.
Put the multiply. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Find 0.238 squared.
0.028 square.
0.056644.
Stop looking at the book.
No,
sir.
The what you get?
0.05664.
Find, I'm show no mathematics simple like a dimple. Like a butter and bread. You know if you make butter and bread?
Not really.
You know if you make bread and butter. When you're born till now, you know. That's so it's simple. I will not make it look like we not cook roast beef. I just bread and butter. That's why the bread and butter are nice and simple. What we tell you to say? 0.28. What's the thing we say? 0.238 square equal to 0.238
Times
0.238 times. You see that? You see that?
Yes, sir.
Watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to transform this into a fraction. Do you know how to do that?
Yep.
I'm just a man to fraction.
It is 238 over 11230 because 3 points are behind it. And this is equal to 238 over 11230. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Now what does it look like?
Fraction.
Fraction. So we can multiply now. So therefore this times this, 238 times 238.
56,654.
50 what?
56,654.
Multiply 1,000 by 1,000.
1 million.
By 1 million, though.
Yeah.
10 million.
Now this,
5, 6.
right here, so, implies 56644 divided by 1 million, though. Now that it imply? Now that this imply? Eh?
Yes, sir.
So that imply 56644.0 divided by 1000000. See that? So that means I can move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. Now that we learn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
0.05664 4. Work it by calculator.
Yes, sir.
5.6.
Nice. Oh, you get that.
Want to see that?
Yeah.
Watch on ya. Oi.
More than right.
Everything simple. This is this. This is this. This is this. This mean this. This is this. And that is that. Only knows how to say it easy.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yeah,
simple.
they use a calculator.
So I'm playing in a multiple choice. I know a calculator.
So I just say 2 times.
The bigger guy. Come again now. What is the value of 0.9 over 0.15 squared?
So what number that's
Number 3.
nice, no? See that? Number 3.
0.9 over 0.15 squared. Oi. No calculator.
So 36.
Alright, first, you have to use if you use a calculator, but I'm going to show you no calculator. If you're using a calculator, you have to work out this first. 0.9 divided by 0.5 equal what?
0.9 divided
Yes, some
squared.
0.9 over
6,
10.
Equals 6
squared.
squared. Equal 6 times 6 equal 36.
And the calculator stand.
Calculator. Alright, now watch this now. No, it's a lot genius way. It's like if you want to impress a girl now, you just say, let me work out this for you. And she goes say, no, oh, you know that. This 0.9 is actually equal to 9 over 10.
Yeah. And 15 over 100.
This is equal to 15 over 100. All square. This implies 9 over 10 divided by 15 over 100. All square. Not true. Not true. See that? That line here. So this implies 9 over 10 times 100 over 15. Not true. All squared. Not true. Talk to me now, man. Am I correct? Yeah, am I a genius in this thing or what? So therefore, you are going to say, this cancel that. Yeah? 3 into that 3 times. Yeah? 3 into that 5 times. That into that 1 time. That into that 2 times. So therefore, it implies 3 times 2 over 1 times 1. All squared. It implies 6 over 1 all squared, which is equal to 6 squared, which is equal to 36. But that the calculator do. It just do it quicker for you.
So fast it do that.
But if you understand mathematics, then for you see this, you know say a decimal can become a fraction. Not true. And then the fraction easier to divide out.
So what's your get 3
In cancel down.
3 into 9, 3 times. 3 into 15, 5 times.
So where that one that come from?
5 into 5, 1 times. 5 into 10, 2 times.
Oh, that's why you get it wrong. Half 5 more.
Second. Everybody see that, how it's simple. No calculator. You don't need if you understand mathematics law.
If you know your timetable.
If you know the law, you can't get in a trouble. You need no timetable. Everything we may teach you now come from where we start. Fraction. Because fraction is a decimal. Decimal is a percentage. All of these things come back to the same original base that you learn in primary school. So how much for hard you learn in primary school?
So we're freezing in here.
How freezing for hard? Well, no. Square root.
Let me see also I'm going to do the square. If we use the calculator.
The square root of a product is the product of the square root.
Repeat.
The square root of a product is the product of the square root. We never even know this. Watch it now. The square root, hey, you see all them things now? You know, so I go up on a speech now, you just say, do you know that the square root of a product is a product of the square root? A man say, yeah, I say, this a man from the whole country. Watch it now. The square root of a product 4 times 9, that's a product, is equal to the product of the square root. Check it. 4 nines. Huh? 36 square root is supposed to be equal to 2 times 3. You see that? 36 square root equals 6. So the square root of a product is equal to the product of a square root.
The product of a flower. The flower, the product.
Watch it. The square root.
Go back everything.
No.
Come again.
The square root of a product. This is a product. 4 times 9 is a product.
Yes.
Is equal to the product of the individual square roots. So the square root of 4 times 9 is equal to the product of the square root of 4 times the square root of 9. You don't see that?
No, sir.
The square root of 4 times 9 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can do it.
Let's look now.
So that's right.
4 nines. Square root of 4. Square root of 9.
Oh.
What's the square root of 36?
Oh.
What's this times this? 6. Very brilliant. You have to keep that in mind, you know. We never even know that. Because watch, you know why you have to keep that in mind? Because soon you're going to get something like this. The square root of AB. No, this is telling me that the square root of AB is equal to the square root of A times the square root of B.
Yes, sir. Logic.
Logics.
Oh, my understanding.
Logics.
Sir, one of the
No, they gave us 2 numbers, 4 and 9. So the product of the numbers 4 and 9. The square root of the product of the numbers 4 and 9 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 9. Huh? Yo, this is brilliant. And hey, watch it.
So you learned something today.
Yeah, hey, when we learn, we just get nervous. So what's the square root of 16 times 25 times 36?
16 times 25
16 times 25.
4 times
No calculator.
Yes, sir.
It's a 16 times 35, no.
16.
16 times 35.
16 hours, yes, sir.
16 35 hour.
No calculator.
Oh, cash man.
No calculator.
So you want to tell the answer?
No, 25.
Yeah.
Sir,
25, sir.
35 hours, sir.
16, 25, 36.
16, 25 and 36.
36.
Look at me, shut up.
What you have a shut up? Come on, we don't shut
Look what
up.
I'm saying. 6.
See that?
You should use
Lock
a
it out.
calculator.
Watch this now.
You already
36 and
use.
6.
Watch it.
Hey, see why the math's so easy and it's just so simple if you know the rules? You cannot be a fool. Watch it. The square root of 16 times what?
25.
Times what?
36 minutes.
Equal to the square root of 16 times the square root of 25 times the square root of 36. Equal to 4 times 5 times 6. Equal to 4, 5, 20 times 6. 120.
Simple and do.
When we clean, we look simple.
Let me see if that is true.
No one more?
Yeah,
36.
Can't go no more.
can't get no more.
They're
Too
too easy.
Use it in a file.
What's the square root of a fraction?
Use it
I change that to decimal, sir.
in a file.
16 over 25.
This is 3 to 600.
The square root of the fraction 16 over 25 is equal to the square root of 16 over the square root of 25.
Then I got 16 divided by square root 16 divided by square root 25.
Equal to 4 over 5.
Really? So that
Yeah.
Equal to 0.8. How many knows it equal to 0.8?
I use calculator.
So that is not
Because if you're going to make this into a decimal, you have to change this to a multiple of 10. So 5 times 2 over 4 times 2. So that is 8 over 10. 8 over 10 is 0.8. It's just great and lovely. You do that now. Find a calculator.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0.8. This is a calculator. Eh? You can buy me a calculator or some things.
Sir, but I could have read the other way too.
Which other way?
The same way we need that.
Share whether 18 or 16.
16. 16.
Eh?
But me only calculate, you tell me, me not tell you the answer. So if you tell me calculate, I calculate. No, I tell you the answer for you tell me to calculate. Not the few question.
So we're back to something far.
What? Yo, this is, yo, me never even mess them thing, yo. Them thing, yo. Reciprocal numbers. If you want to find the reciprocal of a number, you simply place 1 above the number. Therefore, what is the reciprocal of 5? Beautiful.
Where just?
If you want to find the reciprocal of a number, you simply place 1 over the number. All right, now.
Square root same here with you.
No, man. Still.
Square root.
So suppose I say to you, find the reciprocal of a half.
1.
You put 1 times 1 over 2.
Watch it, no, man. What you do?
1 over 1.
Yo, you see them things are so simple? The way it's simple, me coming like, yo, right now, I don't even want to. So that me I tell you say right now, I need to go study something else, like Iraqi language or something. What? Baghdad go fight war. Watch it. The reciprocal of 2
1 over 2.
is equal to 1 over 2.
That's a half.
Watch out now. The reciprocal of a half
It's 2.
2 over 2.
of a half is equal to 1 over 1 over 2. Which is equal to 1 divided by 1 over 2. which is equal to 1 times 2 over 1. Which is equal to 1 times 2 over 1. Which is equal to 2.
Sir, so I'm going to get it right. I'm going to say 2.
It is just so simple. Just logic. Because you place 1 over the number. And when you place 1 over the number, it means 1 divided by the number. And then you're back to fraction. So simple. Alright.
One other chapter now.
What's the reciprocal of, let me see here now. We want to find the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 21.3? The reciprocal of 21.3.
Yeah, comes to 1.
21.3.
Oh, 21.3.
Life seeds I sow.
No.
Pound dirty Babylon a berry. Cool as a breeze I blow. So Irie and Mary. The frustrations I see so.
No.
He's like Babylon carry. That's the far I never
So
go
I'm ready
no.
for you, sir.
For your
Sir,
back.
that 3.
So 1 and 21 over 3.
How much?
3, we're getting a 3.
Watch it now, it's simple.
Looks at 3.
The reciprocal of 21.3
You change it to a fraction first.
implies 1 over 21.3
Yeah.
equal to 1 over 21 and 3 over 10 equal to 1 over 10 times 21 how much? 210 plus 3 213 over 10 bottom number times big number plus top number equal to 1 divided by 213 over 10 equal to 1 times 10 over 213 equal to 10 over 213.
Divide that.
And then you work that out.
0.046. 0.05 or 01.
By seeds I sow.
0.05.
Born dirty Babylon.
2 and 1 and 2 over 10.
You know, see, you know, sir. Bless you.
Huh?
Right.
Let me a calculator.
Sir, catch. Catch, sir. Sir. Don't you do it, sir.
I know you can't.
Catch.
What the answer want to get? 0.46?
Yes, sir. 0.04.
0.46. Yes.